Hope you all are doing good, and if it is the first time you're watching my channel, then please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon below so that you can get the notification of my new videos whichever I post. And today we are going to see how to make a manicure with the help of Dove soap. So this is really an interesting and easy home remedy for from which you can get an beautiful skin even on your hands. So this is what we are going to see. Come, let's see how to make it. Okay, now we need around 1 tablespoon of raw rice. I've soaked it overnight, or else you can soak it for 4 hours and then grind it in a mixer jar and filter it. So now you can see I've taken the rice and added a little bit of water, around 2 tablespoons of water, and now I'm going to grind this into a paste and then we will filter it. So now I'm going to strain this in a bowl. We need only the water. Okay, so I've just strained, and you can see it's around 2 tablespoons of water. To this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of milk powder to this, and then we need 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And now I've taken the Dove soap. Now we need around 2 tablespoons, so I'm just going to grate the Dove soap. Just take a grater and then just grate it. We need around 2 tablespoons. It just moisturizes the skin and also enhances to get a beautiful skin. The one who uses regularly, they will know all the benefits of the Dove soap. It's less in chemicals, that's the reason I'm using Dove soap. So just like this, just grate it. We need around 2 tablespoons. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour paste. Mix it nicely, and then you have to add around 4 tablespoons of raw milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we can just mix it nicely. Now I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of the Dove soap granules to the mixture and mix it well. And after this we are just going to boil it for around 5 minutes so that we will get a creamy consistency. So just now I'm pouring it in a bowl, and let's just stir it for around 5 minutes so that we get a creamy consistency. Keep the flame in a medium and then just stir it for hardly 5 minutes. So now you can see we have got the creamy consistency. So this is the consistency of our cream. And now we can switch off the flame and allow it to cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. And then we can apply it on our hands. So you can just see it is little thick. So this is the consistency. Okay, now you can see the creamy consistency. So I have fully cooled it down. So this should be the consistency. Now to this I'm going to add 1/4 tablespoon of lemon juice to this. Add a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, and now we can mix it well. If you feel the cream is thick, then you can add a little bit of raw milk so that you would get the desired consistency, but this is the one, so this is how it should be. You can store this in an airtight container for a week, like for 7 days you can just store it in a refrigerator. And now I'm going to use vitamin E capsule, so you can just see the Evian capsule. So this is how it would look. I'm adding 2 capsules to the mixture or to the cream. All the ingredients what we have used helps in nourishing your skin. So I'm just adding one by one. Now I'm adding the second one. Vitamin E capsule, it helps in reducing the wrinkles and also moisturizes your skin. It removes all the sun tan from your skin, so it's very good. And corn flour, it acts as an cleanser, and amino acids in it also helps to improve your skin texture. Then I've added the raw milk. Raw milk is a good cleanser and also helps to remove the dead cells from your skin. And then we have added the rice water. Rice water is to reduce the wrinkles from your skin, either from your face or your hand, and also it acts as an anti-agent, like you won't feel the aging factor, it reduces it. So all the ingredients what we have used is good for the skin. You can also use this on your face. You can just leave it for 10 minutes on your face and then wash it from a cold water. Okay, now we have added all the ingredients to the mixture, and now I will show you by applying it on my hand. So it's a easy method of manicure. If you're going for any functions, then you can just use this and then you can see the difference of your skin. Okay, so now we can apply this on your hand. See, so now I'm just taking the cream and applying it on my skin. So Dove soap also contains milk, and it also helps us to get a silky and smooth skin. So that's the reason I've used Dove. Okay, so just use it on apply it on a upward direction and then massage it for around 5 minutes. And after that you can just allow the mixture, this cream on your hands for 5 minutes and then wash it off. You can do the same on your face, like first wash your face and then apply this cream. Do this twice a week so that you would get a beautiful skin. So just massage it for around 5 minutes and then allow it on your hand for another 5 minutes. After that you can just wash it. I will just show you applying it on my hand fully. It helps to removing the suntan if you have any sunburn, and also the dark spots from your hands. Apply it nicely on your elbow so that the dark color of your elbow just changes. This is really an easy way. You can do it in your free time, like you can just apply it over on night time and then you can just wash it off with the help of cold water. The results will be really amazing. You can just try this. And if this is the first time you're watching my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also check my description, so that I would have given the link of other facial videos that I've made for the face. You can also just try that.